Want to showcase external content right inside your Agency Analytics dashboard? Here's how to embed content like YouTube videos, TikTok videos, or Instagram posts in just a few quick steps. Start by opening your dashboard in edit mode. From the side widget menu, drag and drop the embed widget onto your dashboard. Next, open the content you'd like to embed in another tab. If you're embedding a YouTube video, click the share button below the video and select embed. You'll see an iframe embed code appear. Copy the entire embed code, then go back to your Agency Analytics dashboard and paste it into the iframe field of the embed widget. If you're embedding a TikTok video, copy only the video ID from the URL. That's the number that appears right after video. Take that ID and add it to the end of TikTok's embed URL so it looks like this. If you're embedding an Instagram post, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Copy Link. Then replace everything after the video ID with Embed. And that's it. Your content is now embedded and ready to display alongside your reports and metrics. Looking to create more engaging dashboards with embedded content? Start your free trial of Agency Analytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.